Hello everyone, Abdullah Sawal has speaking. Today I'm going to talk about how to upgrade Windows 10 to the latest version. Microsoft releases a new version every 6 months. So the latest version it was 2004. So today we're gonna talk about how to upgrade it to the 2004 without losing the data and also without need to upgrade or install a fresh installation of the Windows. First of all, let us check our version right now. If you type in the search the command line WinVer, it's mean Windows version. Click enter. You can see our Windows 10 right now. It's a build or the version 1909. So we will upgrade our Windows as we said in easy steps to the 2004. Okay, let's start it. If you go to the website, Microsoft website, I will share this URL in the comments below so you can check it anytime and you can visit it. You can see Microsoft released a tool. This tool is an important tool which is helping you to upgrade your Windows without any issues. By the way, there is another ways to upgrade your Windows, but I prefer this one because it's give you an opportunities to check if you want to checking any other features in the Windows. And by the way, every build Microsoft release it contains a lot of enhancement, improvement in the Windows. So I highly recommend it to upgrade your Windows and make it up to date. So let's start it. Once you navigate to this website, you can find here the tool. It's a creator tool, so you can click on download tool now, and then you can save it. You can see the name of this tool. It's Media Creation Tool 2004. So I will save it in the download. Click Save. It is very small tool. Then I can navigate to the folder and double click on the Media Creation Tool. The pop-up message appears, so we can click Yes. And I can close all these applications because I do not need it. The first thing you can see it's getting a few things ready. This is important steps because it will checking the compatibility of your drivers and your let's say laptop or desktop if it's ready to getting the latest update. If there is any compatible issues, it will be appear. Now you have to accept the license, getting a few things also. After the installation completed, the machine will be restarted and we can log in to our machine. And now let's check our machine again. Let's see if it's upgraded or not. We can run the same command line WinVer, and here we go. We can see right now the version is 2004 and the operating system upgraded without losing any data. If you like this video, please you can share it, subscribe, and then like it. And if you have any question related to this video, please comment, and it will be my pleasure to answer your question. Thanks for watching.